All right, discount points. Another calculation that you want to know how to do in finance. Discount points, very important. Remember, it's the loan amount. You're taking the amount of points. 1 point equals 1%, 2 points, 2%, so on. And so the formula is nothing more than the cost of the points equals the loan amount times the number of points. So $100,000 loan, 2 points, 2% of 100,000, $2,000 is the cost of the loan. Okay. That's how you calculate that. Okay. Now, let's read the question. Go ahead and see if you can work this problem out. A home sold for $142,000. The lender demanded that the buyer pay 1.75 points for an 80% loan. What amount did the buyer pay in points? What do you think? What do you think? All right. So let's go and work this out. Okay. A home sold for $142,000. Lender demanded that the buyer pay 1.75 points for 80%. Okay. Now, the basic formula, number of points, 1.75 points is 1.75% or 0.0175. But we don't multiply it times 142 because that's the price of the home. We multiply it by 80% of 142 because that's the loan amount. Okay. So if I take 142,000 times 80%, I get 113,600. That's the amount I'm borrowing. That's the amount the 1.75 points applies to. So that's going to be times 0.0175, and I get $1,988. Okay. Don't forget, again, this is one of these test questions where a home sold for 142. Typically, many people will go straight to 142 times 1.75, and they'll have that answer down, which is 2485. So they don't, again, it's like one of the lead-based paint we just read. They look at that as the price times the amount of points, and they don't register, I need a loan amount, not the price of the home. Okay. Why didn't they just put the loan amount in there? Because they want to see if you understand how to get the loan amount and understand the principle of points being the loan amount. Okay. All right.
For more practice questions, videos, and insight into the state exam, we encourage you to join our free webinar, How to Pass the Real Estate Exam Without Your Real Estate Book and with only 15 to 20 hours of study time. Get registered now at myrealestatetutor.com/exam.